The students at Montgomery House are completing a traineeship, and they're completing that traineeship alongside their studies at school.
I'm Annabelle Staples and I'm a trainee registered assistant.
And what's fantastic about a traineeship is you can earn while you learn. And as a trainee, you're a student 4 days a week, and then you're an employee 1 day a week.
It's a lot different to school because it's more hands-on. You don't just sit down in a classroom, listen. It's lots of fun.
You start off the day just going around, turning all the lights on to get all the residents up because they need to be up for breakfast to get the day started. The first thing you do with some of the residents, they require some showering, so you help them with some showering. We had one resident not that long ago with assist feeding, so you would do that in the morning with all the meals that she had.
And we've chosen to work with Tubal because while our students are training 1 day a week at Montgomery House, and they're actually now working and they're on shifts, they're on a rota, they're also gaining a Certificate 3 qualification as healthcare support assistants. So they're gaining that qualification by doing it. They're on the job, they're working, and they're being assessed periodically. And they're also completing some theoretical work to ensure that when they leave, they've got not just a qualification, but they've also got work experience.
Tubal are a registered training organisation, one of the longest in Western Australia. We specialise in training school-based trainees right through to students undertaking diploma studies. Currently have about 300 school-based trainees in Western Australia. John the 23rd have engaged in a partnership with Aegis and Tubal, and currently there are 5 John 23rd students undertaking a traineeship in Health Services Assistant, Certificate 3. The students will complete this over a period of 2 years, and at the end they'll come out with a nationally recognised qualification and hopefully into a pathway of nursing and further studies. The students are required to complete 7.5 hours over a 70-week duration over year 11 and 12. The student is paid whilst undertaking their traineeship by the employer, and they form part of the Aegis team.
I've developed a lot of team working skills and organisational skills to develop more in life.
I've definitely become more confident in interacting with people that I'm not really sure with, but it's definitely built up my confidence. I can talk to anyone, and I've learnt new skills and such of like helping the residents and helping them with their basic needs and like showering and everything that I've never had to do before.
The main skill that I've acquired through doing this workplace is the art of listening. They just want to be heard and they just love to tell stories, and you have to listen, and it's awesome to listen because the stories that they tell are amazing, and it makes them feel very happy that they've got someone that can listen to them. And also the communicational skills is a big one. You can't do this course without communicating because they like to feel that they can trust you and have a nice conversation with you, and it's really good if you can master those skills.
Nursing is a really great career, and I had no idea what all these nursing people did, but now I do.
Well, my plan would be to go into the helping sort of aspect of careers, so whether that be nursing or starting off as just a carer, just continuing with this caring qualification that I've got. So there are many things that I can do, but I'm pretty set on nursing. I would love to be a registered nurse, that would be amazing. Just to be in hospitals, and like it's just always been my dream to be in that workplace.